Welcome to Titanium Man Garage, and this is going to be my next project. It is a 1987 Yamaha Banshee. As you can see, I've got the motor torn out already. Probably get the frame cleaned up. The top end was done on this already. So the customer wanted the bottom end done, new crank, new seals. He wants everything done right. So I'm going to go through this thing, and for me this is going to be something new because the reason I like Polaris is the engine and the transmission's different. Or I should say, the engine and the transmission are separate is what I meant to say. Makes it easier to work on. These engines, the transmission is inside along with the kickstart and the shift lever. So I'll be going through that. I'm actually going to pull this off the lift. Use the lift as a nice workbench. I'm going to start tearing this thing apart. I'm not going to post a video of me tearing it apart. I'll most likely post a video of me assembling it and then I'm reinstalling it. So stay tuned. Might take a little bit. Might take about a week. And you'll get to see how this bad boy fires up. I'll catch you guys. Till next time.